welcome to Bubba Fields. Here we have, this is Stinky. This is my horse. I don't really use him. And actually, horses in this game, you don't have to feed them. They just stand there and then like you can ride them. Let's ride Stinky. So this is where I keep my crops for now. It's a little small at the moment because Bubba Fields, we don't really focus on exporting too many harvested goods, or rather farmed goods. Here we have the seed machines. Okay, so yeah, this is this nice little woods area. You know, it looks really natural. We got a lot of grass and rocks. Whoa! Yeah, so this seed okay, so this is the second stage area, or the second addition to Bubba Fields. This is my lemon tree, actually, this one right here. And this lemon tree, it hasn't made lemons yet, but it will eventually. One day. Oh yeah, so this is the little barn. And here I have my non-cow animals. This one is Yagoat.
Hi.
Yagoat just gave me some milk. Here we have Petco. It's me, Pecola! This one I just named a brand. I didn't know what to name some of them. This one's Jeff. And this is Watam. Meh! Bah! I'll show you guys my big farm. I don't like this gate, but I have to put it there. I can't open it with the horse, apparently. Okay. So this is the big barn. The big barn. Here we have Cow. Kawaii! Gah! Yeah. What are you guys? Oh, Kawaii. Cute! And then we have Snoop Cow. Pet. Yeah, I only have 3 cows right now, but I'm gonna get more. So this is where this is still a work in progress area. I still have to put like some roads. Hey, Stinky. Yeah, just teleport. Anyways, yeah, this is where the processing plant, like an end game thing. It's a greenhouse. Oh. Yeah, okay. Well, we gotta go back soon, but oh, this is a beehive over here that I'm gonna restore. And so yeah, this is where like all my industrial stuff is. Okay. We gotta go. Because otherwise I'm gonna pass out. Once it reaches 2 a.m. in-game, you faint. Alright, so yeah, what do you guys... This is like pretty much the whole farm. And I'll take you guys like about my daily routine. It's like a vlog. It's like a day in the life of Farmer Amit. Okay. Oh, this is Wellington. Okay, good night, Wellington. We woke up late. Okay, so I'll show you guys. Ooh, I'll show you guys this. Hi, Wellington. Just level him up. Whoa, I haven't seen this one before. Oh. What? Why does it matter if my bag is full? Hi, Bubba. What? Oh, cute. Oh, it has a little chef hat. Look, it's got ketchup. It looks like chest hair. It's a little all-new rice harvest sprite. Oh. I wonder if, like, so usually if you leave an item out overnight, it'll just... Oh, tomato! Aww, a little tomato sprite. Ew, tomato-flavored Sprite. Okay, take me home. Oh, look at this! Does this look cool? Look! A giant lava crab! It's cute! So cute! It's eating the lava! I don't think this staircase goes anywhere. Look how cute cute this little sprite is, though. He's like the guy from Jujutsu Kaisen. What did I say? That's right. The guy who's the lava guy, the villain. I don't know his name. Hello. And this is the mayor's son. I don't know if you can marry him. He looks like a Cheeto. I don't know who that is. Oh yeah, we're playing a first-person shooter. Pew, 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 pew. Sniped! Sniped! Who's that? I've never seen that guy before. I think that's a tourist. Ah! Run! Who is that? Hey! Come here. I think he's just a tourist. Hi, Papa. Papa, you're insufferable today. It's pretty cool. I wonder if I can cook here. I just come to their random person coming inside to cook at their stove. So, oh, is this another lady that you can marry? She's pretty cute. She's got like that old-fashioned style. I want a cute farm wife that will help me care for the horses. I feel creepy. Ooh. Nah, picture's not that good. Oh, that's kind of nice. Not very centered though. So yeah, this guy has like this big nice house, a giant dining table, nice painting, and then look at his bed sheets. You live like this? What is this? Isn't he so weird? He's got a weird nose. Oh, Amelia, you are in my house? Oh, taking a picture of me? Oh, I'm into that. He's creepy! Alright, so here, this is really... Oh yeah, look at these animals that I found. So yeah, the animals I took a picture of, then I give them the picture, and then they turn the animals into statues. They kill them and they stuff them. No, they don't do that. They just make statues. So yeah, we'll be here for a while. Oh, this is the lady I was talking about. I think you can marry her, and she has like a really short skirt. I'm not gonna do anything weird, but I just want to show you guys that this is what people do. I didn't do this. And you can like, anyways. Oh! We're appraising our items. And then, hello. I think you can marry her. You can marry her, yeah. This is a town hall. This is where, the mayor lives. As you can tell, he's not a very, tall mayor. Ah! He's creepy! Ah! It's a horror game! Ah! He saw me! He's gonna kill